Hold. Yeah. Hold.
Now, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me now? Yes?
Yes.
So, dear parents who don't understand Russian, please bear with me. I am speaking in English. So, I will start with Russian language. Посвязана общественностью и воспитательной работе Марина Валерьевна Лалабекова. Уважаемый декан иностранных студент Георгий Николаевич, почетный представитель посольств, заместитель декан Виктор Григорьевич Вербицкий и весь деканат, уважаемые преподаватели Татьяна Викторовичинская, профессор и доктор Татьяна Кораблова. Семьи и друзья выпускников, чья поддержка была очень важна на протяжении 6 лет, а также все остальные гости, добро пожаловать на встречу выпускников, которая проходит в юбилейный 110-й год со дня основания университета. Я хочу поздравить всех выпускников с нашим достижением окончания университета. Дорогие одногруппники, желаю каждому из вас найти себя в жизни и стать прекрасным врачом. Пусть трудности на вашем пути делают вас сильными и помогают идти вперед к своей мечте. Сегодня для нас заканчиваются прекрасные светлые годы. Учеба в университете стала для нас одним из самых ярких событий в жизни. От всех студентов я хочу выразить огромную искреннюю благодарность всему преподавательскому составу, которые помогли полюбить нам врачебные дела. Спасибо вам за ценные советы и мудрые наставления. Спасибо деканату и университету, которые учили нас быть лидерами и помогли советам. Отдельное спасибо нашим уважаемым спонсорам Вектор, Алами и Моснанка. Теперь с вашего разрешения я хочу сказать несколько слов на английском языке для наших гостей из других стран. Now I will address English. Good afternoon everyone. It gives me a great honor to speak today on behalf of class of 2016 to such a fine audience. Thank you for this privilege. I would like to welcome all faculty, deanery, alumni, honorable representatives from the embassies, friends, family, distinguished guests to the 110th commencement ceremony. As a group, indeed, we started from very bottom. Think back how far we have come. Looking at our first day at class, it's like as though it was yesterday. I remember our first lecture together, it was on philosophy, and the lecturer is here, Dr. Tatьяна Karablova gave us the first lecture. It was winter, cold outside, many of us excited wanting to see the snow fall because we've never seen snow in our life. And not to forget, many of us came with very less knowledge of Russian language. The first words that I learned from my seniors was da and нет, which simply means yes and no. So if someone would approach me, ask me something, I had to choose between these two words. Imagine 6 years ago someone asked me what is the time, and I replied da and walked out. From that point to this point, it was a beautiful, long journey. Journey as an individual and as a team. Our heart is prepared and we grew physically and mentally. Moscow has taught us courage, survival, and my dear colleagues, no matter where you go, please remember that this is the place which gave us the opportunity to achieve our dream to become a doctor. My dear graduates, this is not the end of the journey. It's just a new page for a new chapter. Now there are many people who have the same talent as you and me, or even better, they are not here today with us. Because they are stuck. Stuck in between war, poverty, or simply not given the chance. But you and I are here to receive this honorable degree. That is because you and I have been chosen to walk down this path. You and I have a calling and have given a chance. So this is enough to remind you to not to give up under any circumstances, because you are the chosen one. On behalf of the students, I would like to thank each and every department. To all the dedicated souls who have helped transform us from medical students to clinicians. To the patients who are patient with us during our learning sessions. To all the teachers and physicians who have dedicated their valuable time for us. Thank you. I have to say, we have seen ourselves grow, mature and grow tremendously as an individual. We have discovered incredible talents behind the white coat and the textbooks. Among those who are graduating, there are good cooks, musicians, athletes, debaters, dancers and many more. We have learned acceptance despite of our individuality, embrace them and become friends and working colleagues. I would like to take this golden opportunity to thank everyone who made today possible. On behalf of the graduates, I would like to thank the families and friends who have tirelessly supported us to achieve our dream. Personally, I would like to thank my godmother for all her guidance, to my siblings, to my mother, who has the same tension as I am whenever I enter the exam hall. I think all the mothers are like that. So together with us today, you guys are graduating too. Congratulations. To my dad, without whom I would not be standing here and I would not have become a doctor. Words will not describe my gratitudeness. To all the dads or whoever has taken up the role as a dad, the word thank you will never compensate your sacrifice for us. One of my favorite teachers is here today, which is Tatiana Ruchinskaya. You taught me dedication in the chosen profession by simply being you, because you're so dedicated teaching the students the right thing. Please give her a round of applause. Dear class of 2016, congratulations and good luck in all your future undertakings. Thank you, Professor.